YouTube. Today I want to share you a very efficient pneumatic staple gun, and this is the staple gun I want to recommend you. It's the Woodpecker brand, model 7116S, and it has two outstanding features. It has continuous firing and has the adjustable firing frequency. Now I will want to show you how to use it and introduce the features in detail. First, like a normal staple gun, we also need to know the staples in the magazine. Open the magazine. Here we use the China Top Zero brand 20 gauge 71 series staples. And then we load the magazine. Load the staples into the magazine. Then push the magazine back. Adjust the suitable air pressure and connect the air hose. The valve plate on the staple gun, it can switch the continuous firing mode and single shot mode at will. And now I will show you the staple gun in the single shot mode. I will touch the valve plate. Then we'll style a normal staple gun white. Now I release the plate. The gun is in the continuous firing. Press the trigger. First line of machine gun. Shoots rapidly, accurately, and no jamming. The back of the gun, there is a firing frequency dial. You can rotate the dial to control the firing frequency. And now I will rotate the dial crosswise. The frequency is low. Right, even I release the valve plate and the staple gun is in the continuous mode. And I rotate the dial anti-clockwise. The frequency is high. The stable distance is very close, and you can control your moving speed to let the distance becomes further. I will move the staple guns fast.